So guys, a bird somehow just came inside of my house, and now it's just in my basement. Where'd you go? Hello there. Where you going? Don't worry, we'll get you out. It's gonna have to somehow catch it or like release it. Dude got stuck again. Bill tried to catch us for like 10 minutes. It's impossible. Hello there. Where'd you go? It's still there, I think. It's still there. Oh! There it goes! Yep, there he goes. There they go back. It's awesome. We caught it. We got it. Hello. Hello there, little birdie. Hello there. And here, you gotta fly. Oh, there. Somewhere over there. Bye.